In nature, nothing is perfect and everything is perfect. Trees can be contorted, bent in weird ways, but they're still beautiful. Forget not that the earth delights to feel your bare feet, and the winds long to play with your hair. Look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. Heaven is under our feet as well as over our heads. To me, a lush carpet of pine needles or spongy grass is more welcome than the most luxurious Persian rug. We don't inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. I believe in God, only I spell it nature. Choose only one master, nature. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. There is something infinitely healing in the repeated refrains of nature, the assurance that dawn comes after night and spring after winter. Live in each season as it passes, breathe the air, drink the water, taste the fruit, and resign yourself to the influence of the earth. I go to nature to be soothed and healed, and to have my senses put in order. It is not much for its beauty that the forest makes a claim upon man's heart. As for that subtle something, that quality of air, that emanation from old trees, that so wonderfully changes and renews a weary spirit. There's a whole world out there, right outside your window. You'd be a fool to miss it. To forget how to dig the earth and to tend the soil is to forget ourselves. Preserve and cherish the pale blue dot, the only home we've ever known. Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. It will never fail you. The sun, with all those planets revolving around it and depend on it, can still ripen a bunch of grapes as if it had to do nothing else in the universe to do. To make a priory, it takes a clover and one bee, one clover and the bee, and reverie. The reverie alone will do, if bees are few. Men argue, nature acts. All my life through, the new sights of nature made me rejoice like a child. Colors are the smiles of nature. Land really is the best art. Everything in nature invites us constantly to be what we are. The best thing one can do when it's raining is to let it rain. Many eyes go through the meadow, but few see the flowers in it.